Oh, you're on a phone? There should be a link if you open the if you're looking at the let me use my phone. Let me see. So I'm opening the Twitch app and let's go to one of my favorite streamers. So I open the Twitch feed. I have to wait for the ad. Oh, actually, you have to minimize the video, and then there should be some icons at the top of the phone. One of them looks like a square with it's like a voice bubble, a word bubble, but it's in the shape of a square. And you tap on that, and then you have to type artsy underscore Bible underscore nerd, start a whisper, and then type artsy underscore Bible underscore nerd. And then you'll be able to whisper. Simple as that. Why do I have to draw so many rocks? I couldn't have picked a smooth cistern made of porcelain or something, made of subway tile. Aha! I see it! Excelente! Well done, my young apprentice. Here we go. Let's copy the link. And now, do I have the power to paste the link? Enter. Yes, there it is. Mwahaha. Woohoo! Wahahaha. Maniacal laugh. So there you go. Go ahead and get your Star Wars on. As a matter of fact, let's take a look. Let's take a look. I don't have this set up. I don't have anything set up for me to actually streaming from my iPad. I'm streaming. Well, anyway, go to that link. You people with computers, click on that purple link. Go get your Webtoons. Go get your Star Wars Dark Hunter. Dark Hunter. I kept wanting to say Dark Saber for some reason. I couldn't come up with Dark Hunter. My brain was so. Ooh, look at that. With that pencil drawing, with that helmet, that flyer with a helmet on him. That is something. Squirrel. Episode 3. Episode 3. Hey, by the way, Jay Duran, do you know about Blessing Boat? I'm going to give you a link. What Blessing Boat is it's a way for lesser known Christian streamers, and also family friendly streamers to get to be known, to get the word out about these streamers. So it'll be a raid train. So a bunch of people will go to one streamer, and then about an hour with that streamer, and then after that hour they're going to raid another Christian streamer, and it's 12 hour. It's from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock, so I think there's 8 streamers that they're going to be rating. Don't quote me on that, but I'm going to be one of those streamers this coming Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, noon Central Time, and 1 o'clock Mountain, 2 o'clock Pacific. So feel free to come not only see me, but to see the other streamers there as well. Stay for the Artsy Bible Nerd. No, come for the Artsy Bible Nerd and stay for the rest. Come one, come all. Come early. So Jay Duran, is it snowing up there where you are? I forget where you are. I think you're up north. I think you're in Michigan or something. It is not on Webtoon yet. It is not yet on Webtoon. So I'm going to do some fundraising before I put it on Webtoon. So my plan is to do the coloring first, the inking first, and then the coloring, and then the fundraising while I do the lettering. Because it's not a good idea to do your fundraising before. So what I've heard is you don't do your fundraising before it's done, because it'll take a long time for it to be done, and your patrons are going to be upset with you. How many ways can I use the word done? You yourself will be done. Are welcome. It's the least I could do. Alright, so where's the shadows? What's going on here with the hat? The shadows. When in doubt, black it out. So it's supposed to snow. It's gonna be snowy in the morning. I'm hoping that we have the day off. Not off, but probably have to work from home tomorrow. Because I don't want to have to shovel my way out of the parking lot tomorrow.